The 2026 Honda Prelude marks the stunning rebirth of a legend, a nameplate that once defined driving excitement for Honda enthusiasts around the world. Now, decades later, it's back with a completely modern interpretation, blending futuristic design, hybrid performance, and unmistakable Honda engineering precision. From the very first glance, the Prelude grabs your attention. The sleek coupe profile remains true to its heritage, but every curve now feels sharper, bolder, and more aerodynamic. The front end features a low, aggressive stance with Honda's new generation lighting signature. A thin LED strip stretching across the nose, connecting elegant, jewel-like headlights. The grille is subtle yet sophisticated, emphasizing performance without shouting for attention. Along the sides, the flush door handles, coupe-like roofline, and sculpted body panels create a smooth flow of air from front to back. The rear is where things get truly dramatic. A full-width LED light bar, an integrated spoiler, and sporty diffuser elements that perfectly capture the car's athletic spirit. It's not just a car that looks fast, and it looks confident, composed, and beautifully balanced. Step inside, and the Prelude's cabin greets you with a design philosophy that feels both sporty and serene. The driver sits low, wrapped by a minimalist dashboard that integrates a large floating infotainment display and a fully digital instrument cluster. Honda has clearly focused on blending digital innovation with tactile quality. The materials feel premium, with soft touch finishes, contrast stitching, and metal accents. The flat-bottom steering wheel, supportive sport seats, and subtle ambient lighting all remind you that this isn't just about comfort. It's about control, precision, and connection to the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Prelude introduces Honda's advanced hybrid powertrain, a refined balance of efficiency and performance. Reports suggest it combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with dual electric motors, producing around 330 horsepower. The result is a coupe that accelerates with authority while maintaining impressive fuel economy. The hybrid setup also enhances handling by distributing power intelligently between the front and rear wheels, offering exceptional grip and stability through corners. Honda's engineers have tuned the suspension for a perfect blend of comfort and sportiness, making the Prelude equally at home on twisting back roads or smooth city highways. Performance isn't just about power, it's about feeling. The Prelude's steering feels tight and communicative, giving the driver confidence at every turn. The regenerative braking system has been refined to feel natural, and when combined with the car's low center of gravity and balanced chassis, it delivers a true driver's experience. It's not overly raw or intimidating, it's the kind of performance that feels accessible to anyone who loves driving. Technology-wise, Honda has packed the Prelude with everything a modern driver expects, and more. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital cockpit offers customizable layouts, and a head-up display keeps key information directly in your line of sight. The car also features Honda Sensing 360, the latest version of Honda's safety suite, with enhanced radar and camera coverage for adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. Parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and intelligent driver attention monitoring complete the package. In terms of usability, the Prelude surprises for a coupe. There's enough room in the rear seats for shorter trips, and the trunk space is decently practical, a nod to Honda's traditional sense of everyday functionality, even in a performance car. The hybrid system ensures quiet city driving in EV mode, while the gasoline engine awakens seamlessly on open roads, giving drivers both thrill and thrift in one package. But what makes the 2026 Prelude truly special isn't just its numbers or features, it's the return of emotion. This car bridges the gap between Honda's past and its electric future. It's a nod to those who loved the original Prelude's engaging dynamics, yet it's built for a new generation that values sustainability and technology just as much as speed and style. It's elegant, efficient, and electrifying all at once. The new Prelude stands as a statement and proof that Honda hasn't forgotten how to make cars that stir the soul. It's not just a revival, it's a reimagining. A car that takes everything Honda has learned over the decades and channels it into a coupe that's not just about performance or luxury, but balance, emotion, and timeless appeal. For anyone who's ever believed that driving should still be an experience, the 2026 Honda Prelude is here to remind us exactly why we fell in love with cars in the first place.